What's up, guys? I found a model home where they don't hide the remotes for me. So we got a light. Light also dims, it looks like. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but there we go. They already have it on off for me, so we'll just put it on low. Also, I don't know what type of ceiling fan this is. Remote's labeled Air Pro. If anyone more knowledgeable than me would like to help, that would be great. It's actually a pretty decent fan, too. Its low speed is very aesthetically pleasing. And at least in this room, I feel like I can feel its effects all the way in this corner. Granted, this room's pretty small, but whatever. I should also mention why I'm in model homes. I just like to look at model homes, specifically the fans they have. Let's do medium. Medium. I'm still feeling quite a breeze. It's reaching the upper body, which is good. Also, sorry if I'm super quiet. There's people being sold on homes and stuff. Good medium speed. Let's get to the beans. High speed. Okay, it takes a second to pick up. But it picks up pretty good. I'm just gonna set the remote down. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Yeah, it's going all the way up to my face. Down here, yeah. Here's what I'll say about this fan. Spreads the air, amazing. 10 out of 10, spreads the air great. It's just the strength of the breeze that it's spreading is not great, like even down here. This is like my Riviera on medium. And same with the spread pretty much. So it spreads the air super well. The breeze just isn't particularly strong. Let's turn it off now. Let's do a spin down. Also, I forgot my own format. I usually do the lights off for these. Usually I do the lights off for the entire thing, but I don't know. I just found it with its light on. I'll just leave the light on. It looks kind of, Also a pretty decent looking fan as well. You can kind of see some detailing there. I'm not gonna like stand on the bed, but yeah. Also, I've just noticed it looks like the blade irons are super long, but they're actually not. They just detailed the blade to make it look like the blade iron's extended. Even on Spindown, I'm still getting a breeze from it, although this is pretty much its low speed. I'm guessing the blades are kind of heavy and the motor can't keep up with it super well. That's my hypothesis. But yeah, this fan could just have lighter blades and or stronger motor. This thing would move air. Seriously. It also takes a long time to spin down, goodness. Although again, that goes back to, as I said, heavy blades. I'd like it to spin down faster before the salespeople get bored of salesing the other people and question what I'm doing. There's nothing wrong. I'm just filming a ceiling fan. I just don't know how to explain that to people. I was looking at another model home the other day and I don't like talking to the salespeople because I'm not trying to buy a house. So I was just kind of like quickly trying to be like, anytime they had a question, I'd just be like, nope, I had no questions. Goodbye. I think they thought I was a little weird. Of course, that also could be because I'm a dude who has these nails in Florida. Who knows? How long is this fan gonna spin down for? Goodness. Goodness gracious. Come on, buddy, spin down. It's got a long ass spin down. Jesus Christ. I don't really have any commentary. But yeah, I don't. If they make an outdoor version of this, that could be a fan to consider for outside. Except not really, because it needs to give off a stronger breeze. Maybe? I don't know. It's definitely better than the Fanimation slingers that are currently outside my back porch. This thing just keeps going. Spinning down. I mean, clearly whatever the blade setup, just anything that's attached to the flywheel, clearly weighs a lot, so if whatever fan company this is could just do weight reduction, that would be awesome. It's like same blade shape, but just reduce the weight. Let me see if I can, oh, not because I was spinning opposite direction. I'm trying to see if I can find any badging on it. I think finally, yeah, there we go. We look spun down. We can't find any badging though, so 0 to high. Let's put the light back like we found it. Got a bit of humming to it, but given that it's clearly got some weight to carry, I don't blame it too much. It's not super fast 0 to high though. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't really have anything to say, just looking at model homes. If I can find any other fans where there's not salespeople in front of them, I'll be sure to record them. And yeah, see ya.